Hey, what's up? Ketemu lagi dengan saya dengan Uncle Tang di channel Uncle Tang. So, what are we making, Gabs? Gabi?
Cave.
Cave. Oke, kita mau bikin gua, rumah yang terbuat dari salju. Oke? Ikutin nih. Alright, let's do it. Maranani do niyangan iparsedor ng pwedeng aliliyarido ulan haba-haba alogodo hosirlam ngaro marapi puru nanggo. Jadi teman-teman, nih, ini kita udah bikin satu lubang di sini. Nah, kata si Gabe yang jadi sekarang arsitek nih. Nah, jadi dia dari sebelah sini udah mulai menggali lubang nih. Nah, katanya itu, jadi lubang dari sini biar ke sana itu nembus nih, guanya nih. Oke. Ini ada dua arsitek dari Indonesia. So Naki. So you guys are trying to dig it? Oh, lihat nih si Gabe udah mulai menggali lubang dari sana nih. Oh wow. Jadi beginilah guys tipe-tipe pekerja yang setengah hati. Ya, pekerja yang setengah hati nggak kelar-kelar proyeknya. Ini nih. Oke, come on guys. Oke, keep doing it.
Yeah, move. Come, big load coming out. Ow! Yeah.
Oke, nah jadi ini naik, where's Gabe? Jadi rumah saljunya ini udah selesai nih. Oke, jadi kita udah nembus dari sana ke sini. Oke, go Naki.
Go, Gabi. Go, Gabi.
Gabe go.
Gabi. Go.
Ya, ini nih, jadi rumah saljunya udah selesai nih. Jadi orang masuk dari sebelah sana sampai ke sini nih. There you go. Okay, where's another one?
Yeah, Daddy wants you to come through.
Okay, another. So, how is it, guys?
It's good, man. It's so cool. I got there.
Nah, jadi ini rumah saljunya. You did it?
Yeah.
So,
Big.
who's the architect over here? Who's the engineer
Me.
for the project? Gabe?
I basically made this.
Yeah, we just worked.
You just work. So what do you think?
It was
guys?
your idea, but we just started.
So what happened with the
It
earthquake?
was practically both of us.
Both of you guys? Yeah. This is
'Cause
very.
we both did the back work and stuff.
Yeah. So Gabe?
We both did. Dad, I think Nike me did the most.
No, I cannot hear. Come here, Gab. Gabe, come.
Nike me did the most.
Okay, I cannot hear you. Okay.
Nike me did the most.
Naki did the most. So what did you do?
Nike and me.
Oh, Naki did. Say it again. This has to be super awesome. Keep going, Gabs. Gabe, I'm here. Keep going, keep digging. Where are you? I cannot see you, Gabs. Gabe, I cannot see you. I keep digging. Hello. Utamakan penampilan asal sangat tidak pinjam sana sini yang penting senang pilih HP salah doi Gabe sega pardongan ami narik di mana So,
Daddy, how much do you like building forts? How much do you like the fort?
I love it. This is the best. This is the best architect ever. And how old are you?
We did it, Dad.
You did
We
it?
built a fort. A snowball.
Jadi guys, itu dia tadi kita proyek kecil-kecilan. Kata si Gabe, apa namanya, kita mau bangun rumah salju. Dan ini benar-benar ada guys ya, di kehidupan nyata ada rumah salju. Jadi kalau di sini ada tempat turis di Montreal kalau nggak salah. Nah jadi buat orang-orang First Nation juga atau orang-orang kulit asli kan pasti begini kalau pas musim salju. Jadi ini dia kita proyeknya. Kita mulai dari sini nembus ke sana. Jadi ini cave. So what do you call this house, Gab?
Snow fort.
So for so made by Gabe, right? In Senior Gabe. Ya. Oke, saya thank you udah nongkrong, thank you udah subscribe channel ini dan thank you udah dukung channel ini dan let's keep rock and roll. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Subscribe.